Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. About ready to start phase 2 of finishing off the barbecue. So stay tuned, let me show you the materials we'll be using and how I put it together. Okay, I just want to show you some of the materials I'm going to be using today. I am going to use this fibatape. It is good for concrete, it's self-adhesive, and all you do with that is just put thin set over the top of it, let it dry, and then sand it off. I'm also going to use this RedGard, and that is to make it seal, and caulking. I'm going to use the caulking because I have some 1x1 boards, and I'm going to try and make a lip out of it and just screw those in with some like 1 3/4 inch concrete nail screws. I have this paint already. I'm going to use this as a topper. And I'm going to use this as the bottom. It is the heirloom white and satin. And I'm going to top everything off with Polycrilic. It's going to take several coats of the poly, so probably about 5 coats. And yeah, this is pretty much all the materials I used. I also used my miter saw and my drill, but that was it. Okay, so all I've done so far is I went around and put the fibatape on, and it's so super easy. I just have this back corner over here to do, and I'll show you how easy that is to put on. All you need is the fibatape and a pair of scissors to cut it down. I've got my lucky shirt. It's my dad's old work shirt. So if you can wrap a package, you can do this. And that's it. So we're going to go back through, mix up some thin set, and put that on over the top of just this part and where you see these screws and stuff. So yeah, that's next. I'm just using my little putty knife because it doesn't really need a whole lot. I have a bigger one, but I can't find it anywhere. I'm just going to go around all of this. It's basically all you have to do, wait for it to dry, and then just go through and sand it off. I just wanted to show this to you real quick. This is what it looks like when it's all spread out. And over here I had a little bit of problems because it started getting too hot. It was like 95 degrees here in my patio, and the thin set was getting a little too warm. So it wasn't coming out very well, but now I'm going to get busy and start sanding. Okay, this is how it looks when it's all sanded down. I highly advise using a mask when you're dusting that because the stuff gets everywhere. So now it is time to take the doors off and start putting the RedGard on. Okay, I just wanted to show you this real quick. I put this little lip up here. I just thought it would look a whole lot better, like more like a countertop type piece. It's all sanded, and yeah, it's ready for RedGard now. So all I did was, this is just a little 1x1 board that I already had. I've had these for a long time. So I just drilled them in and then caulked it. It's all caulked right now. So it's all weatherproofed and everything. So yeah, that was fun. I think I'm the only one in California that has a grill this color. Just kidding, this is the waterproofer. So it's easy to go on. All you do is just roll it right on. But it's funny because it kind of comes out like pudding. So it's a very thick consistency. And it stinks. Let me tell you, this stuff stinks. So on to the next step. Okay. Waiting for the RedGard to dry. Then it says on the can it takes an hour and a half, so then we got to do a second coat. And then we get to start making it look really pretty. I don't know, I'm kind of digging this color right now though. Just kidding. Okay, so I was going to stucco, but then I remembered that they had this stuff, which looks just like stucco. So I'm going to go ahead and give this stuff a try. Seems easy enough. All you have to do is shake it up, figure out like the consistency you want it to be. It could be small, medium, or heavy. So I have it on medium, and yeah, let's give it a try. Well, looks good except for that run right there. I guess I should have tried it out on something else. Let me clean that up. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the texture all on it. And I cannot wait to get this thing painted. I got the doors all painted. They're just getting ready. They're drying right now. So, yeah. Down to paint. Okay, here it is all painted. I didn't think you guys needed to see me paint, so, but here it is. Isn't it pretty? What a major transformation out here. Now I painted my doors silver, but I think I might turn them this tan color because I think it looks so pretty. And then just put the little silver handles that I have on there. Okay, this has probably 3 coats of poly on it right now, and probably should put about 2 more just to make sure that it's all weatherproofed. It's getting late, everybody's getting hungry, so we are gonna go ahead and start barbecuing. It's been a long day. Gotta try this out, right? Alrighty guys, it's all done, and dinner is ready to serve. After a long hard day, I know it's so dark outside, but you know what? I needed to eat, and I couldn't wait to try this out. So, let me just show you. Look at, we got some little lemonade over here, some little plasticware, beans, salad, a little Cobb salad. In the gas grill, we have, in those little foil packets, we have asparagus, corn on the cob, some linguiça, and over here, sorry. We have our chopping board, and I put some little fresh herbs in there today. Suzy Q, gotta have Suzy Q. That's what we live with here in Santa Maria. And over here to the grill, we have a tri-tip, baked potato, and some bread. And over here, chips and salsa. Of course, I've eaten half of those myself already. And for dessert, some little strawberry parfaits. So, hey, if you guys are ever in the area, give me a call because I am set up now to grill. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Bye-bye now.